How to connect Wi-Fi QR code on iPhone. Now let's get started. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. With that, your control center will appear. Now over here, you're gonna find this kind of icon. This is the code scanner icon. If you cannot find this icon over here, go to the app settings, open it. Now scroll down and head towards the option of control center. Over here, you're gonna find two sections, included controls and more controls. Make sure you have added code scanner in the included control section. After you do that, you will be able to find code scanner in your control center. Now open it. With that, your camera will open up. Now capture the QR code that you want to scan. After you scan in this way, you will get the pop-up of join Wi-Fi network. Now you have to tap on the option of join, and with that you will be connected to the Wi-Fi. So this is how you can connect Wi-Fi QR code on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.